Fabric type: stainless steel. Commercial coffee maker. Top reviews from the United States. Great coffee maker. We purchased this BUNN machine to replace an older model. These machines are great. We set up the coffee maker the day we received it and immediately poured through several pots of water to see how it was working. After doing that, we walked away and came back a couple hours to discover that the unit was boiling over from the inside. After spending time searching the internet, we learned that there is a thermostat inside and the settings were at the hottest setting, sent that way from the factory. After tweaking it and getting the temperature correct, it worked perfect. We wish it came with a manual that gave us instructions about that. I wouldn't hesitate to buy another, it's doing a great job for us.